Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about some core components of an LLM-Ops pipeline. Okay, so let me just write down here um, core component of LLM-Ops pipeline. See, the first core component is data pipeline. Okay, data pipeline. So definitely make sure whenever you are training any kinds of LLM from scratch, you have to take care of the data pipeline. Okay, so data source can be anywhere, whether you are let's say collecting the data from the API, you are scraping, okay, you are using some internal data sets, so you should have the proper pipeline. Okay, so then after that you also need to do some pre-processing steps. Okay, like you have to do some tokenization, then formatting, okay, cleaning, then we'll be using the data. I hope it is clear. Then the second pipeline I can talk about model management. Model management. I already talked about why model management is important. Let's say I'm talking about, let's say, chat GPT. So if I'm creating the chat GPT and if it is slow, okay, if it is running slow, so if user is coming to my application app, if they're getting some delay, definitely they are not going to use my application. That's why model management is super important. Okay, whenever you are managing the model, make sure you are storing the model in a good storage. Okay, and it should have the tracking functionality, it should have the good infrastructure. Okay, and most of the model you have to run on the GPU based machine, because otherwise actually you won't be getting the faster inference. Okay, so that's why you have to keep the model in the a good infrastructure. Okay, GPU based machine, most of the time you have to take it. Then the next thing, you have something called prompt and template management. Template uh, management. So this is another super important concept, prompt and templates management, because LLM is all about prompting. So whenever you are using, let's say, LangChain, or let's say Llama Index, or any other orchestration framework, definitely you have to create the prompt template. Okay, let's say user can give any kinds of prompt, and internally you have to build the template so that it can match with the task they want to perform. So that's why it is super important. Then I can talk about model training. Another let's say super important pipeline I can talk about, because in the model training there will be using some technique like quantization technique, will be applying LoRa, QLoRa. Okay, so it's also part of LLM pipeline, LLMOps pipeline. Then model evaluation. Model evaluation. So this is another component. So here you have to evaluate the model. Okay, whether your model is good or bad, you have to evaluate. Then the last thing, continuous. Okay, continuous uh, learning loop. Learning loop. That means if user is giving bad feedback, okay, it should learn the new things. So nowadays we can also, let's say, solve this particular problem with the help of AI agents. Now our application can search over the internet real time and it can get the response. Okay, this is called agents. Okay, we can also build the agents. Nowadays all the apps are using the same thing. If you go to the chat GPT and if you're asking, let's say, what is the latest news of 2025, this will give you the response. Okay, so that's why this is also super important. So yes guys, these are actually, that's a core component of the LLMOps pipeline. Okay, thanks for watching.